اسکالر نسیم یوسف کا انگریزی میں مضمون جس کا عنوان علامہ مشرقی's funeral ون آف دا لارجسٹ ان ورلڈ ہسٹری ہے، کئی اخبارات میں شائع ہو چکا ہے۔ ہم تجویز کرتے ہیں کہ آپ اسے ضرور پڑھیں۔ یہ سوشل میڈیا پر دستیاب ہے۔ Pakistan is damaged by telling lies. We cannot afford this anymore. In today's era of social media, falsehoods are easily exposed. Pakistan needs a selfless and daring leader like Allama Mashriqi, who never sought the transfer of power. He believed in the strength of his nation and created an army of over 5 million Coxars. According to people who knew the Coxars in British India, the British were so scared of them that if any British officer saw even one Coxar in uniform with a spade, he would change his course. That's the kind of fear they created. If Mashriqi had not been hidden in Pakistan, people would not have spoken of domination from anywhere. In fact, it was Mashriqi who ended the British rule. Watch the documentary titled The Road to Freedom, Allama Mashriqi's Historic Journey from Amritsar to Lahore, and read the article named Allama Mashriqi's Order, 300,000 Coxar soldiers reached Delhi and the sudden collapse of British rule, both by scholar Nasiem Yusuf. We encourage you to visit our Facebook page or YouTube channel, where you can listen to esteemed professors who have been inspired by the scholarly work of Mr. Nasiem Yusuf, author of 19 books and digitizer of 19 rare works, including his grandfather Allama Mashriqi's historic journal, Al-Isla. Since beginning his research in 1996, Yusuf has uncovered many hidden facts about our history that are now shaping contemporary thought. Professors are copying his revelations and presenting them as their own. Thank you for listening.